Wi-Fi Sheep would like to say a huge thank you to all of you that kindly support us. Help us continue to bring new videos like this. Join patreon.com/Wi-Fi Sheep from just $1 a month. Hello and a very warm welcome back to youtube.com/Wi-Fi Sheep with me, Tom. And a bit of a special episode today. First of all, a very warm welcome if you're joining me for the very first time, because you've just seen my article in Pixel Addict magazine. That's right, I've been hinting about this for a little while, and if you are a channel backer, either here on YouTube under the members scheme or on Patreon, then you'll know that I've been saying that I've been teaming up with Pixel Addict to appear in a couple of editions. And the first one, which is issue 10, has just arrived on my doorstep this morning, so we'll take a look in a few moments. Before I continue, just want to say again, huge thank you to everyone that supports me right here on Wi-Fi Sheep, and you can too by joining our YouTube members scheme. Details and tiers are on screen now. Or alternatively, you can join me on Patreon by visiting patreon.com/Wi-Fi Sheep, like all these fantastic and brilliant people do. Thank you so much to each and every one of you that continue to support me. Okay then, so this arrived through the letterbox this morning from Pixel Addict magazine, and I have a subscription now, so I get these through the letterbox. And yeah, I'm a bit nervous. Let's see what this is like. So and there we go. There's issue 10. It doesn't actually give the date that this issue 10 is for, but this is, where are we now? April's edition. And I can't quite get that all on frame, unfortunately. It's with the camera lens I'm using this time. But yeah, Pixel Addict magazine, issue 10, 2023. And you can see some of the bits that are inside. It's got a good thickness to it as well. As you know, there's a lot of copy in there and a little bit more. So you got the editorial, and it is in here. So I'm happy to announce that we have a new writer. Please welcome Tom from Wi-Fi Sheep YouTube channel. How cool! He'll be covering some of the many interesting projects he has underway for the BBC Micro, as well as for other systems too. Yeah, and there we are. And then over here, probably you'll notice it. Here we go. Page 12, Wi-Fi Sheep Tech channel. Let's go and have a look. Oh, I guess I'm nervous. Here we are then. And there we go. Look at that. And I've done a fantastic job with the layout here, and sort of I sent them a copy of the high-res copy of the logo, and there it is in print. And yeah, and you've got the sort of the circular twin yellow and black grey circular motion, and there's some photos of stuff from taken right here on this actual desk. Such as the Performer, our family's first ever home computer, which was this Macintosh Performer 630. As I said in the article, terrible machine, but we'll get into that. It's down here at the moment. It's right next to me. I can see it down here. And then here on the table, again next to me, there's some photographs that I've taken. I've done all the photography. Clip there from the last Cambridge Retro Festival, which was November last year. I think, was it November? Yeah, I think it was about. Yes, it says there, November. And then also, I'm really pleased about this. I've got screenshots from BBC Micro from the Stylus word processor program that we used at school. And it was I've reviewed it here on the channel as well, but I'm chuffed to get that actually in print. That's just, that's a bit of nostalgic memory for me to actually have that kind of in print. And then down the bottom, that's a social media grab that I've done from Tiny Basic Computers. Yeah. So, oh gosh, that is really, really cool. I am so pleased with that. So if you haven't done already, do get yourself a copy. I'm going to look forward to reading the rest of this. But yeah, do go and get yourself a copy of Pixel Addicts. I'll put an address or a link to the address you can order online. You can get a PDF download copy if you don't want a physical copy. But do go and support it. It's a fantastic magazine. So Britain's best-selling digital culture magazine. That's a nice thing about it. It's not retro gaming, which is just gaming and consoles and that's it. It's a good mix of different elements. I mean, I've got an article here on Apple Free, and we've got zip drives as well. So I've got plenty of zip discs lying around here. Never covered zip discs here on the channel before, but the next issue will be on sale on the 20th of April. So that's another one you might want to look at, because I said I'm coming on board as a guest writer. So I'm going to be doing a few more articles and features for Pixel Addict in the coming year. But yeah, absolutely psyched to be in that. That's fantastic. I just want to say huge thank you to everybody at Pixel Addict for allowing me to come on board. I'm really excited to be on board, and yeah, that's an amazing copy. I'm so pleased with how that looks. That is brilliant. Very well done. So there we are, Pixel Addicts issue 10. It's on sale now at, I think, WH Smith's and a number of other major UK retailers and news agents. You can visit their website, and I'll put the link for that in the description. I just want to say a huge thank you to the editor at Pixel Addict magazine, Paul Mogahan, for everything he has done in supporting me and allowing me a 2-page spread in issue 10. Now, I'm going to be a guest writer on the magazine for the up-and-coming editions. I've got a couple of articles in the works, and I've got a new series starting in Pixel Addict. That'll be next issue, which will be issue 11, which should be on sale around, if we're in March now, it should be April, May time, coming up here on the channel. And I'll notify everyone across social media. Really excited. I said I was generally nervous about how well that was going to look and read, and it is superb. So huge thank you again to the team for everything they've done with the work I sent them. Right, well, thank you as well for joining me here on Wi-Fi Sheep. Again, a reminder, if you haven't done this already, you can support me over on Patreon at patreon.com/Wi-Fi Sheep, or of course YouTube channel members right here on YouTube. Also, if you buy anything from Amazon at all, you can support the channel by buying through my Amazon affiliate link. That is in the description as well. It doesn't have to be anything tech related. Anything you buy by clicking the link first, I will get a small tip, and that really helps the channel. Alternatively, if you're interested, I've got a few hot picks from Amazon on the Wi-Fi Sheep profile on Amazon, and you can click and buy any of those. This is all stuff that I've personally bought myself or have found really interesting. So if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like and subscribe to me here on Wi-Fi Sheep, and I'll see you real soon right here on the channel. Until next time, bye for now.